How to fix Apple CarPlay not working or connecting issue. Hello everyone, I am Bishalka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and launch the settings application on your device and tap on general and then on CarPlay. Here, go ahead and select your car and make sure the toggle button for CarPlay is enabled, and if not, then enable the toggle button for CarPlay. Next, if your CarPlay is wired, then make sure that you are using an original Apple or MFI certified cable, and make sure to avoid cheap or damaged cables, and make sure to plug it directly into car's USB port and not an adapter, as a bad cable is the reason your CarPlay does not connect. Next, in settings again, tap on Siri and then go ahead and tap on talk to Siri and make sure Siri is enabled. Also go ahead and toggle on the toggle button for press side button for Siri. Then see if that issue is fixed or not, and if not, then you can simply try to restart your iPhone and then go ahead and turn off your car and then turn it on again and see if your network connection is fixed yet or not. If not, then open settings again and then tap on general and then on CarPlay. Here, tap on your car and then tap on the forget this car option and then go ahead and reconnect from scratch, as this would refresh the settings. See if your issue is fixed, and if not, then go back to settings and then tap on screen time. Further, tap on content and privacy restrictions and then go ahead and tap on the allowed apps option. Here, make sure CarPlay is enabled, and if not, then enable CarPlay. Also, make sure Bluetooth on your iPhone is enabled, and if not, then enable Bluetooth on your iPhone and make sure airplane mode is not enabled. Further, go back and tap on general and then on transfer or reset iPhone. Here, tap on reset and then tap on reset network settings. Enter your passcode and reset the network settings and see if your issue is fixed yet, and if not, then make sure that your iPhone is up to date. So in general, again, tap on software update and further go ahead and update your iPhone to its latest version, and by now your issue should have been fixed. And if not, then not all cars support wireless CarPlay, or certain iOS version does not support CarPlay. So check your car's system settings and firmware updates and you can figure out accordingly. So these were a few fixes on how you can fix your Apple CarPlay not working or connecting issue. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.